Hi students. Welcome to English Learning. In this tutorial we will teach about pronouns. Comprehensive Guide to Pronouns. Pronouns are an essential part of English grammar, allowing us to refer to people, places, things, and ideas without constantly repeating their names. Understanding how pronouns work can greatly improve both writing and speaking, making communication smoother and more natural. This guide will cover types of pronouns, their functions, and examples to help you use them effectively. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns can refer to people, places, things, or ideas previously mentioned, preventing repetition and aiding sentence flow. Examples: he, she, it, they, who, this. Types of pronouns. Pronouns are divided into several categories based on their function and meaning. Here are the main types. Personal pronouns. Definition: refer to specific people or things. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Subcategories. Subject pronouns. Used as the subject of a sentence. Example: I, he, they. Object pronouns. Used as the object of a verb or preposition. Example: me, him, us. Possessive pronouns. Definition: show ownership or relationship. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Usage: replaces a noun and shows possession. Example sentence: that book is mine. Reflexive pronouns. Definition: used when the subject and object of the sentence are the same person or thing. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Usage: often used for emphasis or to reflect back on the subject. Example: she made it herself. Demonstrative pronouns. Definition: point to specific things or people. Examples: this, that, these, those. Usage: this and these refer to things nearby, while that and those refer to things farther away. Example: these are my keys. Interrogative pronouns. Definition: used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, what, which. Usage: who and whom refer to people, who shows possession, and what and which refer to people or things. Example: who is calling? Relative pronouns. Definition: connect clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Usage: introduce relative clauses, providing additional information. Example: the girl who sings well is my friend. Indefinite pronouns. Definition: refer to non-specific people or things. Examples: anyone, everybody, something, each, neither, few. Usage: can be singular or plural, used to refer to unknown or general people/things. Example: someone left their book. Intensive pronouns. Definition. Emphasize another noun or pronoun in the sentence. Examples. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Usage. Often follows the noun it emphasizes for greater emphasis. Example. I myself will handle it.